Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing a brand that's new to me. Carslan Beauty reached out to me and asked me if I would review some of their products for them. They are on Instagram and on Amazon. So today we're going to do a little look with the palette they sent me, and we're also going to use their lipstick. So if you would like to hear more about what I think of this, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So how is everybody doing? I hope you're all doing well. Today, like I said, we are going to review this eyeshadow palette. There it is. And it is number 8, Silky Twinkle eyeshadow palette. So I did some pictures of this palette, and I also did some swatches, and this is the eyeshadow palette here, and this color right here is gorgeous. This color right here is like more glittery. It's pretty. So you know, it's a neutral eyeshadow palette. We've got a darker pop of rust here, and an orange there, and some browns, and lots of shimmers and glitters. So we are going to put up the swatches here. So guys, you know that we did prime with the Gerard Clean Canvas eyeshadow base in Fair, and there is a link down in my description where you can shop Gerard, and if you would like to save some money, you can use my code BelindaMua, which saves you 30% off of that product. So it has this sponge tip applicator, and then it has a little blender brush on the other side. So I think I'm going to start out with this color right here. It does have a nice size mirror in it. So we are just going to, ooh, this is darker than what I thought it was. Got some pigment in it. I'm going to get another brush and I'm going to blend that in toward the inner part of the eye. I am going to dip into this color right here and see. It's a little bit darker than that color, so I'm going to put it in my outer third. And I'm going to dip into this orange creamsicle color, and I'm going to bring that up here above what I laid down. Oh, that's so pretty. And then I'm going to blend this in to the crease. And I'm going to bring that back just a little bit to go right toward the end of my brow. and just keep blending until you got it all. Blend it out. And these do seem to be blending out pretty decently. So what I did on this brush is I dipped into this color right here, and we're going above that orange. Just buffing it in. So I'm going to go in with the first shadow right here. And I'm going to put that in my inner corner. That's pretty. And then I'm going to go in with this one, which is kind of like a glitter. And I'm going to put that. Ooh, and it has some sparkle to it. I like that. It has some different colors. It's got some of the orange. And we're going to just bring that above. Just to kind of like a little light glisten on the lid over the orange. I like that a lot. So now I'm going to go over and do the other eye, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I wanted to show you this shade right here. So I'm going to take and just lightly put that over top. It's too pretty not to use. Over top of what I've made, and it's so glittery and pretty. Oh my gosh. Let me do a wing, some mascara, and then I'll come back and do the lip. Okay, I've got my wing on, and I did a burgundy tight line down here, and we're going to dip into this one right here. It's more orange, I believe, but I think it will work with that liner. We're going to just touch it right at the line. I absolutely love how this turned out. This is so pretty. Yes. And then we're going to dip into, I think, that one, and just kind of go up and under. And then I'm going to take just a brush they provided, because it's small, and we'll blend that out. Yes, now I'm going to go over to the other eye, put on some liner, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I've got on my mascara. My blush is in Mellow Wine from Wet n Wild. My liner is Patrick Ta, and then of course I went in with that dark color. My lip liner is Luna Magic Estios, and we're going to go in with this lip. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm going to blot it around the lip liner first. I really love this eyeshadow palette, and I did get a little bit of fallout from the glitter, but if I would have used my e.l.f. glitter glue or NYX glitter glue, some sort of glitter glue, I wouldn't have got the fallout. But Oh my God, I am obsessed when I tell you. I'm obsessed with this look. This is so pretty, and you can do so many different looks. Like you've got this brown, and it's got glitter in it. It's like a brown glitter. That. And you can use this color and then lighten it with this color and then go in the front with this. It's a pretty palette. You can do several different color combos with this palette. I'm in love with, I love that right there. That is, and I think they're in each palette. This lipstick is so pretty. Kind of ties in the under eye. The blush ties in to the eye look. I am obsessed, to say the least. To say the least. So, you can find these on Amazon. I will put them down in the link. I don't think that I have like a code to save you guys anything, but I will link it from my Amazon storefront. So if anybody wants to go check out Carslan and their eyeshadow palettes, their lipsticks, this lipstick feels so nice. And it's Silk Touch eyeshadows. That's probably something that I forgot. Silky Twinkle. Silky. They're silky. So, yes, please go check out Carslan down in the description. I'm obsessed. I like the palette. I like the lipstick. Everything is just beautiful. So thank you so much, Carslan, for sending these for me to try. I really did love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. Guys, if you enjoyed this, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern woman, then please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.